Danke bafowethu. This season uNkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo udlalela impilo yakhe bafethu. Is giving so much to i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyasikhumbuza ukuthi ithalente alifi umnikazi esaphila. And i-moment mayi-right ukuthi azibonise. As much as kune-pressure ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but is one of the shining lights laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs at the moment. I mean umuntu ngeke umwrite off noma kuthiwani. Into makuyeyakhe eyakhe. Siyazi ukuthi career yakhe dala asithenjiswa kuthiwa is the next big thing for years and years and years, but he fell short. Maybe this time around because uyabona ukuthi ayi abantu bayahamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs kulaphakamisa isandla sakhe. Wenza kahle kakhulu this season bafethu. Hayi asimnike ama-applause simshayele izandla lo muntu lo. For some time he was called i-future ye-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke fast forward 2025 bafethu is not just for playing for ama-minutes nje kuphela, but-ke uyazi ukuthi i-career yakhe ku-stake. Imagine udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs jike next season sokudlalela iMagesi. I mean akwenzi sense at the after all. Ukhulela ku-setup e-right ku-Kaizer Chiefs. First professional yakho ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Jike unawo 26-27 sokumele uye ethimini encane la okunenkinga eningi. Already this season introduction yakhe bafethu i-super solid ngempela. Why ngisho kanjena? Because already une-goal already this season. Ashaya i-free kick elihle anike i-Kaizer Chiefs i-3 points. Okuchazayo ukuthi une-confidence ukuthi akwazi ukuwathatha amanye ama-free kick, une-confidence ukuthi ashaye, uyakwazi uku-create. Sibone i-opportunity la i-create-ile ekudlala namaZulu. He can beat players, man, take players on, ababhayizise, waba one-on-one no-keeper. Just kumele a-improve nje ey'ntweni ey'ncane like ama-small fine details and then uzoba world class. But-ke amalokhu njani, ama-performances wakhe a-improve kakhulu this season. Mina angifuni ukuqamba amanga, bengimbheka bengingamboni uNgcobo as one of the players anga-change izinto ku-Kaizer Chiefs, especially because Kaizer Chiefs already this season basanama-player amaningi. But guess what? Nami ungiprova wrong ukuthi something asangayinika i-Kaizer Chiefs this season. I-contract yakhe bafowethu kusele unyaka owodwa kuphela laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Obviously renewal ayikho guaranteed laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Obviously this could be a turning point for yena umfowethu ku-career yakhe overall laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but kumele amisele. Mayiqala ukufika ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-future beyibonakala i-bright kakhulu, samkhohlwa along the way, but-ke throughout nje bekubonakala ngathi i-Kaizer Chiefs beyi-golden academy yabo in terms of like ama-youngsters, because banama-youngsters are super talented, but i-transition between ama-youngsters we-Kaizer Chiefs to i-senior team khona la kuxega khona man. I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempela ku-transition because ama-superstars labafana laba, but-ke i-transition yabo mebefika ku-first team khona into eyenzakalayo. I don't know whether it's the pressure of ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs or kwenzakalani, but something is off. Siyamazi ukuthi une-flair yakhe encane, une-control, une-creativity, u-fearless man ku-approach yakhe. Isikhathi esiningi akawaluzi amabhola. I mean siyakhumbula i-breakout season yakhe, I think it was under uGavin Hunt, later on wadlala under Atazwane. Besibona ukuthi okay, hayi this one is the one. I mean bowubona udlala nge-passion, nanokuthi is willing to give so much for i-Kaizer Chiefs. But ibhola lakhe belingakafiki lesicongweni phezulu. For years beba-complain abantu ngaye bathi-ke still promising namanje, but-ke aka-elevate to i-senior player, umuntu ongathenjwa ethimini. Yeah. But umuntu oyithanda i-Kaizer Chiefs, umuntu olithandayo ibhola, umuntu when is given an opportunity, wambona luza ibhola, ama-passes wakhe a-good, i-composure yakhe mina akatatazeli njengamanye ama-player. Khona ama-player esiwabukelayo sizibuza ukuthi wenzani-ke lo, but isikhathi esiningi uNgcobo wenza izinto ezi-right. Siyazi ukuthi maybe pressure yokudeliver ama-results for yabona, yeah, ithi ngivele ngimention amanye ama-player. uNgcobo u-better than uCele. I-Kaizer Chiefs futhi noma iya phambili, uCele akayiniki lutho i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of kuya phambili, and i-Kaizer Chiefs benza amaphutha okufaka uCele second half late. uCele uzoba producerelani, is not good offensively. Angikaze ngambona ashaya i-assist mina libamba uCele ibhola aba-live leya phambili nayo abanika ashaye lo assist enhle. But this season umfowethu uNgcobo angazi uzamile ukushaya ama-droppers kubo-Lilepo bayagejela-ke bona, but-ke njalo medlala there's something ayi-create-ayo kuma-small spaces, is able to find ama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs. So i-player leli malingathola more minutes ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and baqala isizini kahle kakhulu, bekhona naye kulama-runs a-good la i-Kaizer Chiefs undefeated, but guess what, soon bamdropa to ebhentshini. Asazi ukuthi why decision making your coach is sometimes questionable, because you don't want to drop a winning team or a team engaluzi at that moment. Ama-expectations makhulu kuNgcobo this season, pressure obviously too much, but I think what we can highlight kakhulu kuNgcobo ukuthi u-gifted isiphiwo lento unayo naturally gifted ikuye i-team noma istruggle laphana but-ke unokusibonisa lawo moments. Okay, I remember a game last season bafowethu, last season against Stellenbosch. I think for the first 20 minutes ngabona I don't think ngike ngalibona ibhola alidlala to the highest level uNgcobo, aba-lively, abe-creative, all over the place. But-ke unokunyamalala egemini ungasamboni uzibuza ukuthi ukuphi, but unama-moments wakhe. Kumele abhilde ku-momentum yakhe ukuthi simbone njalo egemini a-dictator everything, i-tempo of the game, i-movement egemini, akwazi uku-anticipate ama-runs or ama-forwards, akwazi ukubanika kahle laphana amabhola. Then i-Kaizer Chiefs will excel under yena laphana ku-midfield. I mean, first touch yakhe i-good isikhathi esiningi. I mean, unomlingo umfethu, but Kaizer Chiefs obviously umlingo nje kuphela awukho enough, you have to bring it. I-pressure inkulu for ama-players amaningi. I think nabo-coach bagcine sebayi-complicated ukuthi badlalise obani because they want ama-results immediately. Sometimes-ke loko kushaya namanye ama-player afana noNgcobo ukuthi bangawatholi ama-well deserved opportunities laphana ukuthi badlale ama-game amaningi. Why? Uyawa-deserve ama-opportunity okudlala, especially this season uphakamise isandla sakho athi ngiboneni bafowethu ngikhona. So akanikwe umfana ama-opportunities wokuthi adlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because akadeserve ngoba ukhulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs bampromota kwasha kagcina. Udeserve ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale because usiphakamisile isandla sakhe this season. Uyabonakalisa ngempela ukuthi uyafuna ukuyimela i-Kaizer Chiefs, uyafuna ukuyifela, uyafuna ukuyilwela. I mean i-creativity yakhe laphana bayayidinga, but into ezibashayayo ezinye iy'ncane, anticipation yebhola lakhe. Obviously siyazi ukuthi kuwahlushwa ama-injuries nobo-coach bashintshwa kakhulu, maybe-ke ne-confidence. I mean i-confidence iyehla phela, o-coach mebefika bafuna i-style sabo, bafuna ama-players wabo, so you are left in a limbo ongazi ukuthi usazothola ama-opportunities ukuthi udlale na as umdlali. Ama-injury setbacks njengoba bengiwashilo bafethu, yayiwa amshayile umfana, bekhona la injured khona, naye i-game time yakhe beka-inconsistent at the time laphana kwamanye ama-game, so uya-fluctuate ama-performances wakhe. But this season I think lento lokuthi asayine nge-contract i-last year yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, siyazi ukuthi kune-clause bathi bangayi-renew i-contract yakhe, but that thing is not guaranteed. He has to earn that thing this season, and already has attracted the interest from abroad. E-Netherlands khona abantu aba-impressed ngaye umfana, aqhubeke njalo adlale. But-ke ama-fans are-divided, ama-struggles wakhe nawo amanye bafethu, ama-fans are-divided. Abanye babhilive ukuthi u-too soft, akanayo lo aggression lena. Abanye babona ngathi mhlampe angafitha kuma-systems a-different, but yeah, ama-fans are-divided. Khona abamthandayo, khona ababhilive ukuthi hhayi maybe ku-Kaizer Chiefs akadeserve, especially kuma-lokhunjani, kuma-matches lawa bekawadlala past seasons. But guess what, this season kulama matches esisawabonile, uyadeserve bafethu ukuba laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean technically ucoach mayefika ulimitha, abanye abo-coach balimit i-creativity yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean sekudlale under o-coach aba-different, mhlawumbe abawu-4 if not 5. So loko nawe as a-player kukwenzani? I mean kwenza ube complicated. Imagine if you play under one coach for 3 seasons, I mean you building confidence, no-coach seyazi ukuthi okay, ama-strength kaNgcobo ilawa, ama-weakness ilawa, ngizomdlalisa kanjani mangidlala against le team le, and then you build a solid strong squad in 3 years. But if ama-coach wonke athola one season, that's the nkinga of the problem bafethu. I mean for mina mangimubheka overall ngicabanga ukuthi ukuzalwa kabusha kwakhe this season bafethu is becoming a better pass of the game. Well, noma ngithi a good pass of the ball. I-energy yakhe laphana, u-lively eswini. I mean uqale isizini e-sharp, e-fast, and uyambona ukuthi u-hungry laphana for ama-results nanokuthi ayisize i-team. Ama-performances wakhe mahle kakhulu bafethu, contribution yakhe overall, siyazi ukuthi ama-contribution, ama-passes nezinye izinto might not direct to maybe assist ukuthi ama-player akore, just only lepo bayageja bafethu njengoba bengishilo. I-movement yakhe between the lines, ability yakhe u-unlock ama-defense, influence yakhe, I think confidence yakhe uyithole laphana around u-coach Nabi, because coach Nabi sem-understand-a kangcono. I mean ispark sakhe siyasibona ukuthi siyabuya futhi, akadlali ibhola nje kuphela but ulwela i-future yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Contract situation bafethu isingeneni kuyo, singayikhi phezulu indaba ye-contract. Inkinga le ngishilo mangivula ngiqala ukuthi i-contract yakhe kusele next year June iphelile i-contract yakhe nya. So udlalela ukuwuphruva ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bamgcine laphana, akafuni ukuyodlalela omagesi ama-team or uyodlalela isiwelele ama-team ahamba ngebhasi kuphela, because le nto iyakushaya bafethu emqondweni ukuthi ukhulela Kaizer Chiefs, udlala i-Kaizer Chiefs, waziwa ukuthi wena waziwa ama-millions of South Africans, uduma la uhamba khona ukhosa i-traffic, all of a sudden sowudlalela iMagesi or sowudlalela iSwelele FC. And abantu, they don't care about you because they loved you while you were at Kaizer Chiefs. Once you are gone, sokuphelile ngawo. But-ke sithemba mfana ukuthi ngeke kwenzeke lokho, uzohlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs for more years laphana. So I mean, for both Kaizer Chiefs ne-player, it means so much for uNgcobo Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi abe laphana, ukuthi adlale i-competitive football yakhe to the highest level, adlalele the biggest team in the country by far in terms of i-buzz ne-fan base nokutrenda, and then the raw history of i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi baya-dominate in terms of ama-cup abawawinayo e-South Africa. So kubalulekile for yena umfana. I think into emotivate ukuthi aphushe more ngoba akafuni ukuya emathimini amancane because ubonile i-Kaizer Chiefs offload ama-player amaningi angaphefoma laphana. But yeah, if i-performance yakhe iyehla and then akaqhubeki ukuziprova laphana uzohamba. I mean, compared to amanye ama-player ahambile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uMashiyane uhambile kuloni, uZwane uhambile ngeloni, esikhuluma ngama-player lawa abuya ku-development e-Kaizer Chiefs but bawa-release-ile. Radebe bamhambisile hhayi nangeloni. So akhona ama-player from i-development e-Kaizer Chiefs already i-DC team angasekho laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Masithi siyabheka because they didn't perform, but they were given enough time to perform. But unfortunately, they didn't perform, those players. So, I mean, i-debate-ke for some time, bekudebate ama-fans ukuthi bamgcine laphana uNgcobo, noma yosithesta somewhere else. Because sometimes i-player, ama-career wabo akhuphuka esuka ku-comfort zone. Asimini uNgcobo udlala e-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela. Maybe angaba-tested mengaya kwenye i-team because kuyenzeka, for example, asibhekene uNdlovu ku-Kaizer Chiefs manje bamsayine from i-SuperSport United, but uke wadlala i-Orlando Pirates, yamsinda ijezi le-Orlando Pirates, and then waya kwamanye ama-team, waya ku-SuperSport United, kula regaine khona i-confidence yakhe njengoba sesimbona back to i-Kaizer Chiefs cause ujwayele ukudlalela i-team enkulu and sekane-experience engcono ukuthi angakwazi ukudeliver compared to amanye ama-player angakaze aba-exposed to ama-teams amakhulu bafowethu. Despite obviously-ke, I mean, uloyal to i-Kaizer Chiefs, despite obvious ama-frustration laphana, uNgcobo uhleli ku-Kaizer Chiefs, akacomplain. Whenever is given a time to play, uyadlala. Mengadlali ukhona laphana ebhentshini or kuma-grandstand usupport ama-players wakhe. Ama-fans ayamhlonipha umfana because of unobuntu, yabo. So i-connection yakhe nama-supporters ayiyo bafowethu, I think emkhipha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, at the same time yiyo emenza ukuthi abe motivated adlale kahle kanje this season. Une-bond serious. Obviously i-Kaizer Chiefs, I mean, i-loyal to ama-players wabo abadevelopile ababuya ku-DDC team. Sikhumbule ukuthi umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs, i-boss isikhulu esincane, uKaizer Motaung Junior, uthe I mean for bona ukuthi balona ama-players wabo aye kwamanye ama-team sebazoba ne-business model enye. They would rather keep ama-players wabo athole ama-minutes ku-DDC team than ukuthi babahambise. So kusho ukuthi babakuhambisa e-Kaizer Chiefs whether kulona or kuphi, bayabona ukuthi hhayi, athi i-future yakho ethimini seyiyaphela. Isizini lena inkulu kakhulu for yena umfowethu. I mean, kumele ngempela abe one of the biggest stars in South African football in terms of leya position yakhe, operate kahle. I mean, well, this is more than just obvious ukuthi ulwela i-contract kuphela, but i-fight of i-identity yakhe bafowethu. For uNgcobo ukuthi adlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs akusiwo umsebenzi nje kuphela, but is playing for the biggest team in the country. I-future yakhe masibheka kahle kahle ukuthi imephi after this season. I guess soqala ukubona lokho i-season before iphela ukuthi u-contribute kangakanani, udlala ama-game angakanani, and then i-Kaizer Chiefs ekugcineni izo-decide ukuthi iyamgcina umfana noma iyamhambisa. Kumele aqhubeke ashaye amagoli, abe nama-assist, abe nama-contributions a-serious laphana for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi azi naye ukuthi u-guaranteed ukuthi bamgcine laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, i-Kaizer Chiefs ingabhilda around yena, mayengaba ne-structure se-midfielders laphana, abafana aba-right. So under obviously ucoach Nabi uzamile ukudlala lawo ma-games. There were games la edlala khona umbona ukuthi okay, is performing, but I hardly see him eqeda igame ayifinish. Isikhathi esiningi bayamreplace umfana. So national team call-up, I think into ekude kakhulu kunayo kwamanje. But-ke isitori sakaNgcobo bafethu asikapheli. Usasibhala laphana isitori sakhe. I mean, ama-touches wakhe, ama-passes wakhe, kancane kancane umfethu. I think uyadeserve ukuba ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I think uyadeserve uku-highlight-wa yimi kule segment le ukuthi siyakubona Mapholoba, qhubeka udlale kahle. Danko bafethu. Ngicela-ke ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. si-making sure ukuthi le page leli bafowethu lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.